I have switched over to an extra fine Sharpie marker, which are fabulous. I use them all the time, and they're pretty inexpensive. You can get them at Office Depots or Staples. Pick them up at art supply stores. Now, you still have to follow the existing lines. You can't just make a line. It has to go all the way across the page, all the way across the page. And so when you come back and begin to develop your focal area, you don't just create lines. You're going to work with the existing line. You see what happens here. So what I'm doing is looking for, at this point, interesting shapes to emphasize. And we go a little bit further into the assignment, or the process, you might say. So you're still working with the existing lines, but shapes are beginning to emerge. So we'll do one here, and let's find another area right here. And I would like for you to stay with your ruler on this. It's a little awkward at first, but you're building some experience in hand-eye coordination. A lot of things are going on right now while you do this exercise. By working with abstraction and not working with specific images or objects, the objects have an identity all their own, have a memory in our culture, where abstraction, when working purely with the manipulation of elements and principles of design, which is a huge part of a successful design. So the image comes in later, much later in the semester, but for now we're going to concentrate on the elements and principles of design. The focus right now is line, and now we're merging into shape. We could go further and start to darken in some areas and create contrast.